One mistake, and your video is dead. So don't skip even a single step, because one small mistake, and your video won't go viral. Almost every creator is making this mistake right now. You spend hours editing, picking clips, adding effects, and still get no views. It's frustrating, right? But here's the truth. Your content isn't the problem. The way you present it is. In the next few seconds, I'll show you exactly what's stopping your videos from going viral and how to fix it instantly. But watch carefully. First, your thumbnail. If it doesn't create curiosity in 1 second, people won't click. Use bold words, strong contrast, and clear emotions. Keep it simple, but powerful. Now, if you're creating shorts, you might be wondering how to add a custom thumbnail. And I bet most people don't know this. So here's how you do it. Upload your video by pressing the plus icon. Tap Next. Now you'll see a pencil icon. Click on it. You'll get a slider. Choose the exact frame you want as your thumbnail. You can also add text, filters, or stickers to make it look better. But if you want a specific thumbnail image, YouTube doesn't allow you to upload it directly. So what you have to do is add that image at the beginning or end of your video. But the real game changer is your hook. The first 3 seconds decide everything. If you don't grab attention instantly, your video is already ignored. Start with something unexpected, something risky, something that makes people stop scrolling. Also, keep your pacing fast. Most videos die because they're slow. Cut every boring second. Add zooms, subtitles, sound effects. Keep the energy high. And here's the secret. Viral videos aren't random. They are designed to create curiosity, urgency, and excitement at the same time. Use this the right way, and your next video could change everything. But remember, one mistake and you're back to 0 views. If this helped you even a little, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.